Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain hose mounting plate on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and pliers. Remove the drain line from the wall. Set a drain pan or towel underneath the hose. If applicable, pinch the clamp and pull the hose from the washer. Unthread the 2 screws on the plate. Slide the plate out of the panel. Press the plastic tab and slide the plate off the inner drain hose assembly. To install the new drain hose mounting plate, slide the drain assembly into the plate until it locks in place. Insert the plate into the panel. Rethread the 2 screws. While pinching the clamp, slide the hose over the outlet and release the clamp. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain.